If you've been following my channel, you notice that I love all-in-one AI platforms. That is AI tools that houses a lot of functions in it. And in this video, I just found another really awesome AI all-in-one platforms that you can use for several image functions, whether it's image generation or image formatting, image editing, and even AI writing. And I'm going to be reviewing this AI tool in this video. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video. I earlier made a video about the power of this AI tool that uses AI technology for AI image search to give a more intuitive, efficient, and more intelligent image results, unlike other stock image or stock video websites. Now, we're going to be looking at the AI generation tools that is also embedded on this one tool. I guess you already know the AI tool I'm talking about, but if you don't know yet, I'll review it shortly. Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Frederick and this is FNI SBC. If you are yet to join our community, do hit the subscribe button down below. And whether you're returning or you're a new viewer, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below. This is literally the way you appreciate the work we put in making YouTube videos. Okay, now this is how the AI tool 123RF looks like. If you've watched the previous videos, which I'm going to link up here, where I talked about how to use it to generate images and stock footages and vectors, audios, fonts. Now we are looking at the AI generator tools that is inside 123RF. So when you click up here, you're going to see these tools. The first one is the image generator, AI writer, the remove background, the background remix, and the last one is the image extender. Right now, we're going to check out each of these in this video. Let's begin with the AI image generator. Now you can see delivering creativity at speed of your imagination. Now this is where you can add your prompt. I already have a prompt in here. Okay, now when we come down, you're going to see the settings. All right, so this is where you can select the image generator model that you want to use. For free, we have the Stable Diffusion SL. Then if you want to go premium, then that's where you can get the Dynavision and all of these other, even DALL-E, all right, all of these other AI models. All right, inside of my prompt, I already added all the ways I want it to look like. I already, described the image I'm expecting perfectly. Right now, I'm going to tap on generate. These are all images that 123 image generator was able to give us. Now the AI writer helps you to effortlessly create, optimize, and innovate on your content. You already have used all of the AI writers that are in existence, so this is quite easy to understand. Now when we go to the AI writer, you can see chat or use a template to craft the perfect copy. When we tap on try now, we're going to see start creating. You can also see you can create social media content, you can create a summarizer, presentation outline, and all whatnot. All right, now when we tap on start creating, we can set our tone and also our language. Here we can say write a YouTube video script about AI tools for content. Now that was quite fast. Then it says here a chef who is standing in front of a colorful background. Okay, just like mine. Then it says, hey there content creators, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a super exciting topic to discuss, and it goes all the way and all the way and all the way and all the way to the end. All right, so you can also check out this AI writer inside of 123RF. Now coming over to our laptop, if you go on, you're going to see the AI remove background. Okay, so this is where you can also use this AI tool to remove background from your images. So I'm going to tap on upload and I'm going to bring in an image from my laptop, and we are currently processing. The next AI tool here is the AI background remix. Okay, so when I tap on the AI background remix, it's going to help to remix an existing background on an image. All right, So when we tap, it's very simple. All we need to do is to tap and upload the image. So we have the image right here. I'm going to tap and select scene. So this is actually much more going to be helpful for product images. All right. So I'm going to tap on this one. Then I'm going to go to color or environment or people. I think I can use this, and then I can tap on generate. This is the image that we were able to generate from this AI background remixer. The last tool inside of these AI generator tools of 123RF is the AI image extender. Now this is quite amazing. Now imagine that you have taken a picture on portrait. You can use this AI tool to turn it to landscape, so it can fit whatever purpose you wanted to use it for. Let's see how it works real quick. I'm going to tap on the upload image once again, and I'm going to find the image. Of course, I found an image right here, and it's already in 1:1. So I'm going to turn this image to let's say 16:9. Okay, and I'm going to tap extend. Great. So you can see how the AI was able to transform this image to this image. All of the AI tools inside the AI generator tools of 123RF really blew my mind, and I believe that once you start checking them out, you're also going to be amazed by the functions of this AI tool. And tell me, which of them are you already trying out, and which of them was fascinating or captivated you the most? I would like to know on the comments down below. I did a video of a design AI tool that houses a lot of tools that are going to help you tune up your creativity again. You might want to check it out right here, and if you're yet to subscribe, tap on this button to subscribe to my video. With this, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.